Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another very natural juice which will help improve your skin. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Now, the main ingredient over here is the beetroot. This is very affordable. You can find it at any supermarket. As you can see, I have washed it very well. You don't need to peel it. The skin is also very beneficial. I'll go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. I'll get a piece of ginger and cut it into pieces as well. The amount of ginger really depends on you. If you want it very hot, you can add some more. I've got here some mint leaves as well. This is from my garden. It's super fresh and it's been washed. In this video, I'll be using my brown juicer. This basically separates the pulp from the juice. So at the end, you're going to get 100% pure, undiluted juice. I'll go ahead and empty my contents into the tray. I'll put it on and start getting out the juice. As you can see, it's super red. I must warn you, this can stain, so you must be very careful. I must say, you definitely need this juicer in your kitchen. It comes in very handy, especially if you like juicing your vegetables and fruits. Now, beetroot helps fight acne and pimples. It helps fight hyperpigmentation because it's packed with vitamin C. It gives you a brighter and a healthier complexion. This tuber is super healthy. It does not contain any fat. It's also very good for those of you who want to lose weight. This kind of subdues hunger, so you don't even feel the need to put food in your mouth. Helps fight anti-aging because it contains amino acid, is very fiber rich, and this will help increase the elasticity in your skin. All done here, as you can see, it's so red. It looks like a crime scene. Apart from the benefits of the skin, it has so many health benefits, but that's not what we're talking about now. Let's just concentrate on the skin, and maybe some other time we'll talk about the other benefits. This is the pulp over here. You don't need to throw this away. You can dry it and use it as a natural food color. Afterwards, I will squeeze in about 2 tablespoonfuls of lemon juice. We'll give it a good mix and it's ready to go. You can drink 100 ml a day. This is easy to make. It's recommended you make it in smaller batches and use it up within 2 days. It has a very light, sweet taste, so it's very easy to drink. This is super delicious when it's chill, especially during the summer. Put in some ice and you're good to go. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. I hope you do give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.